This is a simple tutorial that is basically the same thing as a basic scrunchie, but instead you're making a longer headband version of it. You can download the pattern for this scrunchie headband if you follow the link in the description below, and then follow along with the step-by-step tutorial. To start with, you want to fold the headband in half lengthwise and sew. You want to leave a gap at both ends of the headband. Now you want to fold the headband in half inside of itself and sew the ends together. The seams should be matching and you should still have that little gap that you left open earlier. Now you want to turn the headband to the right side through the gap that you left. Now you want to cut your elastic. Usually about 20 inches of elastic will be the right length. And you want to insert the elastic through the headband and sew it into a loop. Then you want to hand sew the hole in the scrunchie headband closed. And that's it. You have finished your cute scrunchie headband.